What is Carya cordiformis? Carya cordiformis, commonly known as the bitternut hickory, is a deciduous tree native to North America. Recognizable by its distinctive heart-shaped leaflets, this hickory tree typically grows between 30 to 60 feet tall. The bitternut hickory is valued for its hard, dense wood, which has historically been used in tool handles and furniture. Its leaves turn a vibrant yellow in the fall, adding a splash of color to landscapes. See more 28 species in genus Carya at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Carya cordiformis. Caring for Carya cordiformis involves a few key considerations. Location: choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. While the bitternut hickory can tolerate a variety of soil types, it thrives in loamy or sandy soil. Watering: regular watering is crucial, especially during the first few years of growth. Once established, the tree is relatively drought-tolerant but will benefit from occasional deep watering during dry periods. Fertilizing: fertilize in early spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can lead to excessive leaf growth at the expense of the tree's overall health. Pruning: prune in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Remove any dead or damaged branches and shape the tree to maintain a healthy structure. Pest and disease control: watch for pests such as aphids and scale insects. Also, be on the lookout for fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Regular inspections and proper sanitation can help manage these issues. How to propagate Carya cordiformis. Propagation of Carya cordiformis is typically done through seed. Here's a step-by-step guide. Seed collection: gather seeds in the fall when they have ripened. Seeds are enclosed in a hard shell that can be challenging to crack. Stratification: before planting, seeds need to be stratified. Place them in a moist medium, like sand or peat moss, and store them in a refrigerator for about 60 days. This mimics winter conditions and prepares the seeds for germination. Planting: after stratification, plant the seeds in well-drained soil in a nursery pot or directly in the ground if conditions are suitable. Plant seeds about 1 inch deep and water them thoroughly. Care: keep the soil consistently moist until germination occurs, which may take several weeks to months. Once seedlings are established, they can be transplanted to their permanent location. What to plant with Carya cordiformis? Carya cordiformis pairs well with various companion plants. Consider these options. Understory plants: hostas, ferns, and woodland wildflowers thrive in the partial shade created by the bitternut hickory's canopy. Ground cover: plants like creeping thyme or vinca can help control weeds and add texture to the base of the tree. Ornamental grasses: these can provide contrast and movement in your garden. Look for varieties like feather reed grass or blue fescue. Is Carya cordiformis toxic? Carya cordiformis is not considered toxic to humans or animals. However, its seeds contain a high level of tannins, which can be harmful if ingested in large quantities. It's always best to keep an eye on pets and young children to prevent accidental ingestion of the seeds. Benefits of Carya cordiformis. The bitternut hickory offers several benefits. Shade: its broad canopy provides excellent shade, making it a valuable addition to any garden or park. Wildlife habitat: the tree supports various wildlife, including birds and insects, which find food and shelter in its branches. Aesthetic value: the vibrant yellow fall foliage adds seasonal color, and its unique leaf shape provides visual interest year-round. Wood use: the dense, hardwood is useful for woodworking projects and furniture making. Common problems with Carya cordiformis. Despite its robust nature, Carya cordiformis can face a few issues. Pests: aphids and scale insects can be problematic. Regular inspections and treatment with insecticidal soap can help control these pests. Disease: the tree may be susceptible to fungal diseases such as powdery mildew. Ensuring good air circulation and proper watering can reduce the risk. Root issues: compacted soil and poor drainage can lead to root problems. Ensure that the tree has ample space and good soil conditions. How does Carya cordiformis compare to other hickories? Carya cordiformis often gets confused with other hickory species like Carya ovata, shagbark hickory, and Carya liceniosa, shellbark hickory. Here's a quick comparison. Carya ovata, known for its shaggy bark, this species is more common in eastern North America. The leaflets are usually more elongated compared to Carya cordiformis. Carya liceniosa, also referred to as shellbark hickory, it has larger leaflets and thicker, more shreddy bark. In summary, Carya cordiformis is a versatile and attractive tree that can enhance your landscape with its shade, color, and wildlife support. By understanding its care requirements and benefits, you can ensure it thrives and adds beauty to your garden for years to come.